If you're experiencing login errors on Coinbase, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. Ensure the caps lock is off and that there are no typos in your credentials. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can often resolve unexpected errors. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. If you've tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to Coinbase support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any login errors on Coinbase. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.